Hello friends, it's another beautiful day. Let's go ahead and get our day started. So we're going to get our day started by standing up and we're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. So let's make sure we put our hand over our heart. And I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now to the side. Let's say it together, okay? I am somebody, I will succeed. In school, in life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dream. Okay. Moving on. It's time for circle time. We're going to start by, you should already be standing, so that should work out just fine when we just start our days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Monday, get your monkey on, your monkey on, your monkey on. Monday, get your monkey on, your monkey on, your monkey on. Days of the week. Days of the week. Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, roar. Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, 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 roar. Days of the week. Days of the week. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Walrus, walrus. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Walrus, walrus. Days of the week. Days of the week. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Days of the week. Days of the week. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Days of the week. And days of the week. And Saturday is okay to bark like a dog. Saturday is okay to snort like a hog. And Sunday is the one day to chill with your chinchilla. Go ape like a gorilla with the ants and Hilla. It's always such a thriller. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Nice job with your days of the week, friend. Now we're going to go over our calendar. So the name of the month is November. Everybody say November. November. Good job. So it's November. Now let's go over the days of the week in order. Ready? Okay. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Okay. So yesterday was Wednesday. Good job. Which means today is Thursday, which means tomorrow will be Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. But today is Thursday. So let's count and find out what the date is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So today is Thursday, November 19th, 2020. Nice job, friends. Okay, so let's talk about the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? So I want you to go check a window. I'm going to count back from 5, and I want you to go peek out a window and see if you can see what the sky is doing today. All right, I'm going to count back from 5. Get back here by 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, we're back. So, you looked out the window, and you're going to tell me what the weather's like today. Remember, thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no, right? Okay, so it is raining outside today. No, it's not raining outside today. It is sunny outside today. Yes, it is sunny outside today. Sure is. We've had a beautiful week this week. It is sunny outside today. Now, is it a little chilly outside, like cold temperature-wise, or is it hot outside, like you could be in your bathing suit? No, it's chilly outside. You wouldn't want to be outside in your bathing suit today. That would be silly. All right, moving right along. Our nursery rhyme this week, as you know, is Humpty Dumpty. So we're going to say it together today. You ready? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Nice job, friends. That's Humpty Dumpty. All right, we're ready to count together. We're going to count up to 15 and then back from 10. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good, but now we're going to count back from 10. So get your rockets ready. If you're going to use your rockets, you can get it ready, okay? All right, we're going to count back from 10, but I'm going to point to the numbers. So you get your rocket ready, and I'm going to point to the numbers. Ready? Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! Good job, friends. 0. We counted all the way from 10 back to 0. Speaking on counting, now we get to go and watch my favorite counting song about the turkeys.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 10 Little Turkeys by the Learning Station. Available in single song download. 10 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other 9 decided to stay. 9 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew out of the gate, and when he was gone, there were 8. 8 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other 7 decided to stay. 7 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey hid with the chicks, and when she was gone, there were 6. 6 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other 5 decided to stay. 5 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey hopped out the door, and when he was gone, turkey's hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other three decided to stay. Three little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkey's hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flapped her wings and flew, and when she was gone, there were two. Two little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkey's hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the last one decided to stay. One little turkey sat in his pen. Hide, turkey, hide, said the little red hen. The last little turkey flew off toward the sun, and when he was gone, there were none.
Nice job, friends. We are now going to move on to reviewing our shape from last week. And if you remember correctly, our shape from last week was a triangle. Yes, a triangle. Say triangle. Triangle. Good. And a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. And how many angles does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. Nice job, friends. So that is a triangle. That was our shape last week. And our color last week was the color black. Yes, the color black was our color last week. And this week, our color of the week is orange. Yes, it's orange. So this pumpkin is orange. That flower is orange. This little cute little Nemo fish, he is orange and white. And then oranges, believe it or not, are orange. Makes total sense. Our shape of the week is an oval. Good job, friends. It's an oval. So this watermelon is an oval when you look at it flat on a picture. Eggs, when you're looking at them flat, they are ovals. That mirror is an oval. And footballs, when you look at them straight on, they are also ovals. All right, friends. Today we are going to say our alphabet. We're going to say it slowly, okay? So let's do it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice job, friends. That brings us to the end of our circle time today. So my friends, you have a super fabulous rest of your Thursday. I miss you all so much, and I can't wait to see you so soon. Bye, friends.